Hello guys, so to install Google Address Finder, go to package list and search the icon Address Finder. Copy the composer require command, paste it in your Magento group. I've run the composer require command, but it's generated an error. This is because I don't have my Magento repository keys in my auth.json file. Once you add your keys to auth.json file, run the command again. This will download the module. After you download the module, make sure to run setup upgrade and setup PI compile. Make sure to clear the cache before you testing. Once you flush the cache, log into admin and go to source configuration. Select Flow 200 Address Finder and enable the Google Address Finder. Make sure to add the Google API key. If you like to filter out the countries from the Google Address Finder, use the Limit Google Address Countries Multiple selector. Once you configure the Google Address Finder, go to Checkout page and type the address in the street address field. This should populate rest of the field. Next, you need to log into customer account and go to Address Book. Google Address dropout should appear in the street address field. That's it for this video. Give us a like for this video and subscribe to the channel.